So the importance of energy efficiency in SWRO is vital because, as you can see on the left here, we have a lot of water available on Earth, but less than 1% of this water is actually usable fresh water. And obviously, there's a lot of sources where you can make drinking water from. We have the surface water, recycling water, groundwater, brackish groundwater, and desalinated seawater. And obviously, due to the state of the availability of fresh water, desalinated water is inevitable. You have to be able to produce this water. It is also a fact that high pressure that is needed for the SWRO to be possible is having a high cost. 70% of its energy consumption is actually for making the water or compressing the water into high pressure in the membranes. When we look at the systems, there are certain things that you can do to improve your efficiency in these SWRO systems. And isobaric ERDs is one of them, and basically utilizing the brine pressure in the membranes supports the efficiency in the overall system with up to 60% of the energy. As you can see on the right here, we have a huge percentage of the RO process will be safe when using the ERDs. When we look at the conditions in SWRO systems, then there are certain things that can affect the efficiencies. We have the water demand variations during the year may change. We also have the temperatures in our waters is changing during the months, and basically all these variations is affecting the efficiencies of your systems. The membrane pressures during the year will change due to temperatures. The demand in regards to flow and permit production may change because of tourism or whatever it could be affecting that. And this is really something that we are trying to emphasize, that, you know, with the Danfoss pumps, we are having a more consistent efficiency in our systems. When looking at the curve on the right here, you can see how if you look at centrifugal pumps and how the efficiencies of those are shown here, where we have the best efficiency point. That's basically where you dimension your centrifugal pump towards a certain capacity. And then depending on the variations in the pressure, then your efficiency will drop either because of too low salinity or too low pressure, or if it's higher pressure, then that will also affect the capacity, and that makes the efficiency vary much more. When you look at an actual piston pump, then the efficiency is more or less constant within these ranges of operation. And that makes, of course, a more consistent and efficient pump compared to a centrifugal pump.